intelligence is transforming education by helping educators work faster, make better decisions, and reduce repetitive tasks. As a head of department, managing academic activities, reports planning, communication, and educational resources can be time-consuming. AfrikSabify AI tools are designed to help you save time, improve productivity, and focus more on leadership and academic excellence. The AI tools section gives you access to a variety of intelligent tools designed to support your daily responsibilities as head of department. With the AI work tools, you can use artificial intelligence to assist you with tasks such as generating reports, image generation, lesson planning, presentation marker, question drafters, assignment creator, curriculum planner, thumbnail generator, book summarizers, and content summarizers. Well, we can also create courses, exam markers, book writers, free prompt, chat board design, parent communication. Instead of spending hours creating documents from scratch, AI can help you generate quality content in minutes, allowing you to work more efficiently and make faster decisions. We have the My AI credits section, which allows you to monitor your available AI usage credits and track your AI activities within the platform. This helps you manage your AI resources effectively and understand how much AI assistance is available for your tasks. If you would like to learn how each of these tools works, AfrikSabify provides a dedicated AI tutorial videos that explain every feature step by step. These tutorials will help you understand how to get the best results from each of these tools and apply them effectively within your department. With AfrikSabify AI tools, head of departments can reduce workload, increase productivity, and make smarter decisions with the support of artificial intelligence. By combining the AI power to assistance and with educational leadership, you can focus more on improving teaching, learning, and departmental performance while letting technology handle repetitive tasks. We also have this two AI feature, which is the call Sophie, where you can call to ask for specific questions concerning the different features inside of your portal. And we have this chat widget where you can chat with the AI concerning these different features, or you can chat with any other feature that you want to ask, or you can ask any question that you want to ask to the AI. We encourage you to explore the available AI tutorials and discover how AI can help transform the way you manage your department. Thanks for watching.